XRP is facing another huge lawsuit at the same time that big news about it just came out, which is very exciting for people who own XRP. Welcome to XRP Insider, where you can find the latest information about XRP Ripple. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on exciting news. Watch until the end if you want to know more. Let's look at the chart to see what's going on with the price of XRP on October 31st. Today, the price of XRP is 0.45 cents or 0.40 pence, and there are $1.2 billion worth of trades every 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, the price has gone down 0.5%, and in the last 7 days, it has gone down 2.9%. It has a total supply of 100 billion XRP coins, but only 48 billion are in circulation at any given time. If you want to buy or sell XRP, these are some of the busiest exchange websites. Question: what are the Toro and GateHub? Alright, let's not wait any longer. Let's start watching. More in the XRP lawsuit. Amicus is a good lawyer who explains. Lawyer Jeremy Hogan said that having different people join the XRP lawsuit would show how important it is to people. During the month of October, a lot of things changed in the long-running legal battle between the US SEC and Ripple. A lot of people and businesses asked the court if they could file amicus briefs in the XRP lawsuit. In the XRP lawsuit, it is important to add one more amicus. In a blog post, attorney Jeremy Hogan explained why it's a good thing that many amicus briefs are trying to join the XRP lawsuit. He said that the name for amicus curiae is friend of the court. According to the records, the amicus brief has only been submitted to the highest courts. These courts make decisions about tough problems in the country. But it's not common for a trial-level case to have a lot of amicus briefs. Having different people join the XRP lawsuit would show how important it is to the public. If the courts and judges let as many as amicus into the case, it would be a clear sign that they know this is a much more complicated case. As the decision will affect a large number of people or even the whole industry, the lawyer for XRP thinks this is a good thing. Hogan also said that the most amicus briefs that have ever been filed in a case was 78. Back in 1980, many people asked the court to let them take part in a case about abortion. But this case also went all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court. Cohen Gape reported earlier that Judge Analysts Ataurus has agreed to let Spent the Bits and Investor Choice Advocates Network file briefs in the XRP lawsuit. The amicus briefs in support of Ripple's motion for summary judgment will be written by these people. But the U.S. agreed to drop its claims about the emails and documents about the Hinman speech. In October, the commission sent the files to Ripple. If you're still watching, you could help the channel by liking and subscribing to this video, and don't forget to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Let's stop wasting time. Let's keep watching the video. Ripple is getting a lot of help to win the SEC case. Will it drive the price of XRP to $10? The Blockchain Association, a group of crypto lobbyists based in Washington, has filed an amicus curiae brief asking the court to let it help Ripple and other defendants in the Securities and Exchange Commission's lawsuit. A request for permission to leave from October 28. The group is upset that Ripple Labs' Bradley Garlinghouse and Christian Marchin have been in charge of giving out XRP as an unregistered security since 2013. The group also criticized the regulator for issuing a very broad interpretation of securities laws and trying to use them in ways that go beyond what the law allows. The SEC's very broad view of the securities laws would be terrible for the industry and even for people outside of the industry. Market players in the whole industry have already. He had a hard time seeing how securities laws apply to digital assets because the SEC usually regulates by enforcement and has a history of making public statements that are inconsistent, incomplete, and confusing. According to the documents, the group also says that the supposed use of the Howey test to define XRP should not be allowed because the token is an asset and not an investment contract. In order to figure out what was wrong, the group asked the court to look at the specific purpose of a token. They also pointed out that the SEC illegally used secondary sales as proof that the company was breaking federal securities laws, which means that the company failed the Howey test. Since the regulator started the lawsuit at the end of 2020, many motions have been filed in support of Ripple. On Friday, another group called the BITS STB and Investor Choice Advocates Network filed their own amicus brief to show that the SEC didn't prove the Howey test. This month, the judge agreed to iRemit and TapJet's requests to file amicus curiae briefs in support of Ripple Labs. iRemit argued that it did not use XRP to speculate on it and that it does not see XRP as an investment. On the other hand, TapJets, a company that manages planes, said that using XRP as a way to pay for its services was important. In the meantime, investors are getting more interested because the outcome of the lawsuit is likely to have a big impact on the crypto industry. As for XRP adherence, a win for Ripple after a 75% drawdown could be good for its price. Also in today's news, there are details about how huge XRP whales moved 313 million XRP all at once. Whale Alert, a website that tracks cryptocurrencies, says that huge XRP whales have moved 313 million XRP in just one transaction. Whale Alert says that in the last few hours, 313 million XRP worth $148 million were moved between wallets. On October 29th, 40 million XRP worth $19 million were sent from the cryptocurrency exchange Bitstamp to a wallet that no one knew about. Another $14 million worth of XRP was sent from an unknown wallet to Bitstamp. This time, it was 30 million XRP. In its Q3 2022 report, Ripple says that 3 billion XRP were released from escrow at a rate of 1 billion per month after the previous quarters and the official escrow agreement. During the quarter, 2.1 billion XRP were returned and then put into new escrow contracts. Make sure to sign up for our channel and give us a thumbs up. We want to make it clear that this site is not meant to give financial advice, and we are not asking you to invest in any specific business. This is just a way that books and other educational materials are sent to your door. See you soon on XRP Insider, which is the best place to get news about cryptocurrencies.